If I need to build an e-learning for one individual that's struggling with a specific soft skill, there are enough options and creativity aspects and avenues within Articulate and the RISE program that I can generate it to personalize it to that person's style of learning. My name is Kimberly Faith Cagle, and I work for Bavarian Nordic, which is a travel vaccine pharmaceutical company. I am their field force effectiveness manager. I build all of their trainings, both live and virtual, and I work on the trainings, basically the e-learnings through Articulate. I use RISE, which I develop, Review, which I send to my SMEs, and then Reach 360 to actually establish. And I build anything from disease state, product modules, prescription information that they all have to have before sales can actually speak to HCPs. And then I also build soft skills. Pharmaceutical industry is an ever-changing market. We've got a very robust team that have been in the pharmaceutical industry for 20, 25 years. However, our customers are constantly changing. We're going from the boomer generation to Gen X generation of HCPs to now millennial and Gen Z HCPs. And how they receive information is completely different. So we've got to retrain our salespeople to actually meet our customers at where they're at. So building soft skills in the e-learning atmosphere can be difficult. However, using Articulate really benefits me in my goal to building these soft skills because Articulate has so many options of interactivity. You can have a scenario. You could do a knowledge check of matching. Okay, this is your scenario, or this is your brief question in soft skills, and then here are like 5 prompts of match it to the best response, and that gives them good, solid feedback. Well, if I respond this way, it matches to this correct response or reaction from whoever I'm interacting with in an actual sales call. And these soft skills really help because it's absorbed, it's relatable, and that's one thing I like about Articulate. I can really mold the e-learning to be very job specific. When you're teaching sales skills, soft skills, product skills, you have a mission to get this as much information to a sales team and get them out into the field doing and selling the product to make your profits for your company. And without an e-learning platform as great as Articulate, that's going to slow you down, because what that's going to do is make you to have to do more virtual trainings through just simple PowerPoints. It's going to have to make you pull the whole team together. For my company, we are a North America continent team. That's a large area to cover. It's also a large cost to bring them all together for a 2-day event of live training. And then you've got to do follow-up training. E-learning creates follow-up training or touch-point training. Micro-learnings make touch-point trainings so much more easier. Our company would suffer a great deal if we didn't have a very well-versed and impactful platform like Articulate.